Hi guys, welcome back to NAVNIT'Z vlog. We are in Al Emarat Park. These are water fountains. Wow, this is amazing. We are just walking. Nah, I'm not gonna put my foot in it. Okay. Wow, that's super bad. There's a bridge? Wow, these are pizza shops, I think. A horse ride, I like horses, but I like camels more. It's a tortoise. It's so small and so fast. This is amazing. These rabbits are very black and peach. Yeah. These are big tortoise. That one is big. I just put my hands onto this thing. So let's go. Animal barn. Hi, son. Guys, this is Emo. No, this is pygmy goat. Wow, these are a lot of goats. Next, let's go more. Wow, there are a lot of goats. What, the camel? Guys, this is pony. Step on these. Step. Like in Czechia. These are flamingos. And we're going by the bridge. Wow, there's a lot of view. this is the biggest thing. We are just right there. Can you see it? So we come here down. Shade house. Wow, these are a lot. There's the park. Wow, this horse is so cool. Like, well, is it making you dizzy? So let's go. There is a lot of stuff to do here. Bye guys, thank you for watching my video and subscribe and smash that like button.